Welcome to Golden Vessel.
Discover our latest Christmas tree lights collection, designed to bring warmth, color, and joy to your holiday season. From classic warm white glow, to vibrant RGB color changes, from steady and to dynamic flashing effects, every light adds a touch of magic to your Christmas decor.
Easily customize colors and modes through our smart mobile app. Adjust brightness, switch effects, or sync lights with music in seconds. With over 20 years of lighting experience, Golden Vessel continues to illuminate the world with innovation and quality. Let your Christmas shine brighter with Golden Vessel.